In this video, I'll be sharing promo codes that will help you get a discount on the monthly pricing plans for OpenArt. To get started, all you need to do is go to this video's description and click on the first link. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the official OpenArt website. Once you're here, simply click on Start for free and sign up with a completely new email. Once you sign up, your dashboard will look like this, and from here, all you need to do is click on the Upgrade button at the top. This will redirect you to the official pricing page. Here, you can choose between monthly or annual plans. If you're planning to use OpenArt long-term, I'd always recommend going with the annual plan, as a 50% discount is automatically applied at checkout, and this will help you save a lot. But let's say you want the monthly plan. For that, simply select Monthly, and you'll see multiple plans to choose from. Let's say I'll select the Infinite plan, which is the most popular one, and costs US $56 per seat per month. All you need to do is click on the Subscribe button. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a striped checkout page. Here, on the left side, you'll see an option called Add Promotion Code. Click on it, and the first code you're going to enter is ALL15. Then click Apply, and wait a few seconds for the coupon to be applied. This will give you 15% off for a month. So that's the first promo code. I've got a second promo code as well, which will get you an even bigger discount. Click on Add Promotion Code again, enter the second code AICA, click Apply, and wait a few seconds. As you can see, this code gives you 20% off for a month, so you're getting a huge discount with both of these promo codes. On the right side, you've got multiple payment options to choose from. If you want to save even more, I'd recommend going with the bank option, as it gives you an extra $5 cashback. So now, all you need to do is select any of these payment methods and complete your payment. So those were the promo codes that get you a discount on the paid pricing plans for OpenArt. If you want to know how to get free credits on OpenArt or Lovable, simply click on the videos appearing on your screen.